Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaliyah. Welcome to Crafts by Aaliyah. What you'll need for this video is some yarn, a 2.75mm hook, and some scissors. You don't necessarily need a 2.75mm hook. You can use any hook around that size, like a 2.5 or a 2.25. The only stitch you're going to be using in this video is a double crochet. This is the yarn I'm using. I don't know the name of it or the brand of it. It's just some yarn I had laying around that I decided to use up. I do know that it's size 4, and I do know that I got it from Michael's. So first you're going to grab your 2.75mm hook and do a chain of 9 chains. And then you're going to be double crocheting into the back loops of your chain, and you're going to go into the 4th back loop from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to put a double crochet right there. And then you're going to double crochet all the way down, and then I'll meet you at the last double crochet, or at the last stitch. Alright, so in the last stitch you're going to put 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. And then you're going to continue double crocheting all the way back down till you get to the end. And don't forget that double crochet in that chain 3, that counts as a double crochet as well. Make sure you don't miss it. Alright. And I just double crocheted over my loose end. You can either do it that way or you can sew it in later. It's up to you. Alright, so now for the second row and the next 4 rows in that chain 2 space, you're going to put 2 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 double crochets. So when you get back around to that chain 2 space, you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and you're going to continue doing that in that chain 1 space for the next 4 rows. I did a total of 5 rows for my cup. I do that for all the cups I make, no matter what yarn I'm using. I do 5 rows. That's the space you're going to go into. Alright, so now I am coming up on the end of my 5th row, finishing up those double crochets. And now you're going to chain 3, and you're going to be working on the bottom side of your cup. So we're going to start all over, and we're going to count this as row number 1. So this will be row number 1, and you're going to put 2 double crochets in the space of each double crochet along the bottom. Each of those spaces, you're going to go into the entire space, and you're just going to put 2 double crochets for each space all the way down. Alright, we're all finished with the first cup. Here it is. And it should make like a little pocket, like a little, like a little cup to fit around your body. And you're going to go ahead and do a second one. I did mine off camera. And now we're going to learn how to connect them. So you're going to chain 3, and then you're just going to do a regular row of double crochets all the way down. And when we get to the end here, and also don't forget, when you make your second cup, don't cut the yarn because you're going to keep crocheting. Alright, so we get to the end, and then you're going to chain 1. And then I'm showing you on the video how I jump over to the next cup. I just connect it with a double crochet. So what I do, and I'm also tucking in my loose strand at the same time. so it's kind of hard to explain, but I just yarn over and then I go through the space, the next space, and then I pull through a loop, and then I just continue with a regular double crochet like that. It's really easy. And then just continue to do your double crochets all the way down till you get to the end of the row. And this is row number 2. We're on row number 2. Alright, and we're going to finish that off camera. Alright, and we at the end of the row here. And we're going to chain 3, turn our work. And we're moving on to row number 3 now. And it's really easy. You're just going to double crochet all the way down. Don't forget to double crochet into that chain 1 space and make sure that your yarn isn't twisted or anything like that. And this is what it should look like at the end of row number 3. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Make sure you click that notification bell so you stay tuned for part 2 of this bodysuit tutorial. I only wanted to show you the cup in this part 1 so that the video won't be so long. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you click that like button, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, share the video, follow me on Instagram at craftsbyeeeee. Check out my online shop, depop.com at craftsbyeeeee. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye.